Welcome to video 3 in our series of Buying the Right Hot Tub. Once again, I'm Doug Gillespie. Now that you have a strong understanding on how to select the right size, design, massage capabilities, and programs that can give you the maximum lifestyle and therapeutic benefits, let's take a look at additional considerations that are important when selecting the right hot tub. Number 5, insulation to save on heating and electricity costs. Insulation is vital because it maximizes energy efficiency and saves money. That's why it's important to look for a hot tub that is properly insulated, efficient, and easy to access for maintenance. We've gone through a lengthy process over the years to develop the ideal insulation system that we're very proud of and that we use in our hot tubs today. Let me tell you how we developed our insulation system. We originally started out with a full foam system to insulate the hot tubs, which held the heat in, but did a poor job of retaining heat from the pipes and motors because we basically built a house and put a furnace on the outside of the walls. It was also very hard to service this type of insulation system because if there was a leak, it's basically like finding a needle in a haystack. Our service technicians had to do an archaeological dig to service the hot tub. As a result of these difficulties, we changed our hot tubs to a wall insulation system where the walls were just insulated. This was great in theory as it retained the waste heat of the pipes and the hot tub well, while being easy to fix, but there was no support for the plumbing. We had leaks and the inside of the cabinet was overheating because there was zero airflow. As a result of all these experiences, we came up with an innovative Hydropool triple thermal shield system. We looked at how astronauts were insulated in space and took the thermal shield blanket concept that they were using and applied it to the walls of our cabinet, the pipes of the hot tub, and the floor of our hot tub. This approach traps the waste heat inside the cabinet and allows for easy access in the future. We also added thermal vents to expel the heat of the cabinet if it gets too hot, while adding a thick Hydropool hardcover to lock the waste heat in from the water surface. The key is that you want to look for a hot tub that uses thermal shield technology, which uses the motor's waste heat to warm up the hot tub during the cold winter months, while releasing some of the heat, especially in the summer. Hot tubs that offer adjustable venting will allow you to vent the heat in the summer and trap it in the winter. In addition to energy concerns, proper insulation will also help against rodents who love a warm place in the winter. So make sure your hot tub has a sealed cabinet and a plastic floor to ensure these unwelcome visitors cannot take up residence. A good indication that your hot tub is energy efficient and good for the environment is if it's approved by the California Energy Commission. Once you've confirmed that your hot tub is CEC approved, determine how long it takes for the pump in your hot tub to filter 100% of the water. The less time it takes, the more energy efficient the hot tub will be. Also, look for models that use low amperage filtration pumps. A good hardcover can also provide added insulation and energy efficiency. The industry standard is a 3 to 2 inch tapered hardcover. However, a 4 to 3 inch tapered hardcover will more effectively retain heat. Also look for a hardcover with an insulated bumper down the folded area of the hardcover, as that is where you will lose most of your heat. Adjustable venting is another factor to consider. One of the most common questions that we receive is how expensive is it to run a hot tub? The answer is simple. If you buy a high quality hot tub from a reputable dealer, it doesn't cost much at all. Hot tubs with sufficient insulation maintain the heat of the water better, so it requires less energy to maintain the temperature. The typical running cost of a hot tub is $1 a day, so they're very affordable. Number 6, ease of maintenance for filtration and disinfection, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Who wants to spend their free time maintaining their hot tub? It's supposed to be relaxing. It's supposed to be fun and easy to maintain. Here are a few tips to keep things simple. First, it's a good idea to consider a self-cleaning hot tub to make maintenance quick and easy. The goal of the Hydropool hot tub has always been to create time for what matters. As a result, 35 years ago, Hydropool decided to change the filtration system to make it the easiest hot tub in the world to maintain. Our engineers looked to the commercial pool and hot tub industry for inspiration and realized that every pool and hot tub made for commercial applications had a floor vacuum, a wide mouth skimmer, and a pressure side filter. This made sense as dirt can only do two things: float on the surface, which the skimmer can take care of, or drop to the bottom, which the vacuum can take care of. Adding the pressure side filter was the final piece, which allowed our hot tubs to clean 100% of the water in only 15 minutes, which is 10 times quicker than most hot tubs on the market. This is actually how we created the only self-cleaning hot tub on the market. Not only does this allow you to enjoy your hot tub with less maintenance, but it's also more energy efficient because it filters the water faster and more efficiently to save you money. For disinfection, a great tip is to find a hot tub with an inline chemical feeder. This way you won't have to worry about removing a floating dispenser to allow someone to get into the hot tub. Number 7, selecting the right hot tub and installation option. Many customers ask us how to choose the perfect location for the hot tub. If you live in a place that's especially cold weather and you feel like this may hinder you from using it, you may choose that indoors is a better location. Otherwise, outdoors there are many options. Your hot tub can be installed above the ground, partially in ground, or fully in ground to meet the specific needs of your aesthetics. For the actual installation, if you don't have a sideway access, a crane or other methods can be used. Number 8, importance of buying from a reputable dealer. Look for a hot tub manufacturer that has been in business for a while and has a proven record of reliability. The internet is a great place to start. Check out the company's website and do a quick search for an independent review of their products. You can also ask friends or family members with hot tubs about their experiences with particular models. You should also take into consideration where the manufacturer is located, which makes getting parts and service a lot easier. Then, take the time to investigate whether the products they offer are covered by a reasonable warranty. Look for companies that don't charge extra when doing trip fees when they do a warranty call, and be careful of the small print, as there are a lot of warranties that are prorated in the industry. A good warranty would consist of a 10-year structure warranty, a 5-year acrylic surface warranty, and a 3-year parts and labor warranty. Investigate how long the store has been in business and whether it's a member of a professional association or not. Research the company online to determine its reputation, including a search for customer reviews, referrals, and complaints. Of course, visiting the retailer on a fact-finding mission can also be helpful. Speak to a salesperson to see if they take the time to determine what hot tub best suits your particular needs, or if they just push products on you without asking questions. Check to see if their store has an on-site water testing lab and either an in-house or outsourced service department for ongoing maintenance and support. Also, inquire about the store's warranty policies. Always look for a written warranty and be sure to ask the retailer whether extra charges apply on every service call. If you decide to buy from a salesperson at a home show, parking lot sale, or other type of one-off event, be sure to ask whether the seller has bricks and mortar retailer that can support you with a warranty call and a service department. The payoff selecting a high-quality hot tub is worth it. Selecting the right hot tub for you can really change your life. As we discussed, they provide significant hydrotherapy benefits. Many people report sleeping better, experiencing less or more aches and pains, and generally feeling happier. The heat from the hot water also increases circulation, which is great for your whole body. Regularly taking the time to relax has shown a decrease in stress, one of the #1 health issues we experience today. For those who play sports, it's an excellent way to warm up or wind down from your routine, as well as prevent future injury. Owning a hot tub also allows you regularly to set aside some time for yourself and your loved ones to spend time together, away from the computer, mobile phones, and TV. Create time for what matters. You can reconnect, bond, have fun with your loved ones regularly, something that's hard to come by these days. This will also add to your well-being and happiness. There are countless health and lifestyle benefits to buying a hot tub. The list could go on and on. With all this information in mind, you're now ready to set out on your adventure of finding the right hot tub. The best way to determine if a hot tub is right for you is to visit a showroom for a wet test, where you can literally test out the hot tub. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us at 1-800-465-2933 or by email at inquiries@hydropoolhottubs.com.